It is a beautiful morning from Southern Maryland,
And here in southwestern Pennsylvania,
and we are here today to present our project.
Team Matrices of Leadership and Change by Jennifer Hopwood and Jennifer Meliton.
According to Bridges' change model, also known as the transition model, the roadmap to change has many stops or transitions. There's the ending zone, the neutral zone, and new beginnings. People in the ending are afraid of change. Change can be scary and messy. What if I don't know what to do? I was really good at the old way of doing things. That's what they say in the ending zone. But creativity and innovation happen when we're neutral, when we're in a safe place. New beginnings sometimes mean we have to let go of the old ways. The higher-ups, well, they're more used to change, and they're faster to accept it because they know what we don't know. They see the bigger picture. So leaders need to be coaches during change. The more people know, the less scary it is. We need a plan. We need information.
Bullen says to be a change leader, you need good relationships with people. So leaders need to build those relationships by communicating and collaborating on a regular basis. Leaders help to make the connections, to make those relationships happen. They give people something to hope for, and they give them a direction to move toward. Now we're going to talk a little bit about how these change theories relate to our own personal change theories.
So both Bridges and Fullen involve relationships. You need to work hand in hand with someone to transition during change. The ability to do this is what makes you a great leader. People need knowledge because the transition can be scary. And we're scared of what we don't know. We're scared of changing what we were really good at and not knowing how good we're going to be at the new thing. So having a plan can make that transition less scary. Communication is very important. It helps people to know what's going on and makes things less messy. Positive attitudes can help to make change easier to accept, as well as guide people out of the ending and the neutral zones.
Both Fullen and Bridges help us by determining where we are at the beginning. It helps by laying the groundwork with good relationships and gives us a direction to move toward, which leads to the next question, where do we want to go? It gives us a moral purpose and helps make the change a little less uncomfortable. And then we ask the last question, how do we get there? How do we make that change happen? So by the creation of knowledge and coherence making and figuring out what we need to do and making that a safe and not scary place for all of the people involved in the change, we're able to be great leaders and make those changes happen.
So that's our presentation.
Cheers!